Hi, my name is Heidi Jo Markel. I'm a film producer from Los Angeles. I decided, kind of crazily, to build my own house. I love this neighborhood. We're in Laurel Canyon. It's a special place because it's nature juxtaposed to the city. You're my first guest. I'd like to welcome you into my house and give you a tour. Come inside with me. This is a modern home, but with an homage to Art Deco. So you'll notice the cantilevered entryway, the cantilevered staircase, the cantilevered fireplace. I love this area because it's the comfort spot in my home. It's where we just sit by the fire, cozy up, have hot chocolate, and share ideas. When we designed this house, it was incredibly important to me that we had this feeling of indoor-outdoor. Being just steps away from nature as you're having your dinner, you're really in it. The pool is just such a central feature and focus of this house. This is California. We love the ocean. We love the water. For years, I had a big problem when I entertained. The whole party was in my kitchen. So we designed this amazing open floor plan so that I could entertain and be with them. Because my partner and I are filmmakers, of course, we're gonna have a screening room. So it's lovely to sit here and watch the classic films, but this is also our workspace. We have to watch our films sometimes 40, 50 times to make sure that there's no mistakes. Just check out the performance and go, oh, Jerry Butler messed up his lines. Let's cut that scene. Just kidding, Jerry never messes up his lines. Adjacent to the screening room is a workspace where a lot of the creativity flows, script ideas and rewrites in this beautiful office. A really great place for your guests to hang out too. One thing I need to point out to you before we get to the primary, I fretted about what to do with this large space next to the staircase. And when my designer pointed out to me these incredible swivel chairs, this became Heidi Jo's place. The place where you can just look at the trees, the hillside. It's my absolute favorite place in the house. So welcome to my boudoir. In California, it's the inside-outside living that we love so much because 300 days a year are beautiful. So why would you ever shut the doors on those 300 days a year? Every morning here is like waking up in a time capsule. There is no stress, and you just greet the day, hear the birds, feel the sun on your shoulders. It's heavenly. Along with the primary room, we have 3 guest bedrooms upstairs. I wanted to make sure that every bedroom, every guest bedroom had the same sort of feeling as my room. It's all inside out. Well, this wraps up our tour today. I hope you had a blast. I had fun having you here. Feel free to be our guest anytime.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.